OontZ Angle 3 Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker 14 watts deliver bigger bass and high-quality sound, 100 feet wireless range, play two together for music and dual stereo, IPX6 splash-proof black. Superior sound quality with rich full bass, our digital audio processor pumps up the bass and enhances the clarity of the mids and highs. 14 watts of power delivers surprisingly loud room-filling volume from the dual precision stereo drivers and proprietary bass radiator. Distortion-free stereo sound even at max volume, the perfect home speaker and travel speaker. 100-foot Bluetooth range, play up to 100 feet away from your device. Our advanced antenna design with Bluetooth 4.2 provides fast connection. An incredible wireless Bluetooth range of up to 100 unobstructed feet from your Amazon Echo, Amazon Echo. iPhone, iPad, Mac, Samsung Galaxy, Samsung Note, smartphone, computer, laptop, and tablet. Connects quickly and easily. Play your music to two OontZ Angle 3 Ultra speakers. Wirelessly connect two OontZ Angle 3 Ultra speakers together. One speaker plays left the channel and the other plays the right for incredible stereo separation. Set each speaker to play full stereo and place the speakers in different areas up to 100 unobstructed feet apart. To play the audio from a video, your TV or device needs to be connected to one of the OontZ Angle 3 Ultra speakers using the 3.5mm audio cable. Speakers sold separately. Weatherproof, splashproof, rainproof IPX6, the perfect shower speaker, IPX6 certified to resist water spray and splash, cannot withstand being partially or fully submerged. Play up to 20 hours on a single charge, play from morning till night with up to 20-hour play time. Talk to Siri from your OontZ Angle 3 Ultra. Just press the speaker and talk to Siri. When connected over Bluetooth to your iPhone or iPad, comes with long 6 feet micro USB charging cable and a 3.5mm audio cable. Official, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.